Hi, this is a new series of Dividend portfolio aiming $250K. Let's see the current portfolio. Last weekend I was away, so I could not record it. So currently we'll see on Monday night. The current gain, the total gain is on 3.5% gain. The current portfolio is worth 1266. Last week it was on a gain 0.95%. Let's see the activity. Last week there was no activity, only the regular $11 deposit. Everything was bought on JP. Current portfolio, we didn't touch anything on the Costco membership. Car wash, everything was added to JP. So JP shares increased from 10.9 to 11.18. The current price for JP is 53.5. Still, our average share price is more than the current share price, 54.6. So if you see, the return is on a negative side, 1.28%. For last week, the return was 0.94% high on the positive side, and earned dividends is 3.96. So we are aiming an earned dividend of, for car wash to be on the financially freedom, we are looking at 10. Let's go to our Excel. So current monthly dividend, it's 11.02. Annual dividend, it increased to 132. JP, the number of shares increased and the total cost also increased. Currently the total cost is 1234, and the yield on cost, the average yield on cost of the entire portfolio is 10.71. Now let's see our fire date. So as of today, the monthly dividend is 11.02. Now let's calculate the fire date. So fire date, it is now 2330 As of today, the dividend target for the month is 5188.81, and I'd be achieving financial independent at the age of 346. At that time, I'd be earning 53 million per month in dividend. We don't have any noticeable achievements this week, so we'll go through the milestones achieved so far. Thank you.